Sleeping position is one aspect of our existence and experience over which we often have limited control. Rather, sleeping positions choose us. Side sleeping has its advantages and disadvantages, and if you are a side sleeper, then you are already aware of this sleeping position. The major con is the hip pain at night, but a knee pillow can give immediate comfort. Side sleeping is the most popular sleeping position which most adults use, and therefore enjoy the best knee pillows for side sleepers. You'll be surprised to know that knee pillows also help side sleepers find a comfortable sleeping position. Add a knee pillow, place it under your knees, and it will provide you with a quick solution to stress relief. Number 1. Cushy Form Knee Pillow for Side Sleepers. If you prefer a softer feel, this option is good for providing mild support and excellent for pressure relief. The standard size is perfect if you are of small stature, since many knee cushions are typically large and can infringe on your space. The large size is convenient if you are sure that you will need more space. The cover can be washed easily. However, when it is placed back on the pillow, it may take a little longer to realign than the other normal covers. This was the softest of the tested styles, but it did not stay compressed for long when subject to pressure testing. I believe this option would work best if you are a little intrigued about knee pillows, but in generally cautious about the knee pillows. In the earliest days of testing, 90% of our at-home testers reported two main complaints. While some found the knee pillow either very large and firm or very small and soft, however, the majority agreed that the soft pillow one was comfortable to use. Number 2. ComfiLife Orthopedic Knee Pillow. This pick was recommended to me by the partner of a BH analyst, and the person has been using it for the last 4 years or more. It's the firmest style from all the models we tested, and so it will suit dense support-seeking users rather than pressure relief. Also, it boasts over 30,500 Amazon reviews as well. Another tester was delighted, he said. The material used is slightly thick and quite firm, and it merely lays between my legs and does not get squashed or compacted. He also emphasized how, due to the curved design, it remains in its position at night, unlike the bed pillow. The only real issue was the durability of the cover, even when it is washed often in the washing machine. Over time, he has had to go out to purchase another cover. Many other online reviewers had the same concern, but still, many people preferred this style over the others. Number 3. Everlasting Comfort Knee Pillow for Side Sleepers. The Everlasting Comfort Orthopedic Knee Pillow is our best memory foam knee sleeping pillow for you if your existing knee support pillow keeps slipping off. This is a pillow that you place between your legs whenever you are sleeping, only to discover that it has rolled onto the bed next to you. This Everlasting Comfort Hourglass pillow is designed with a strap incorporated in its design to help in holding the pillow. You can uninstall it if you so wish, but it is there in the background for anyone who needs it. You also don't need to hold on to your knee pillow throughout the night, because even if you roll over during the night and change your sleeping side, the pillow stays in position without any need of interference. Also, with this excellent hourglass knee pillow, another extra can also aid to guarantee you of a sound and refreshing sleep. With the 2 sets of memory foam earplugs included, 4 individual pieces, you will not be woken at night by any noises. Number 4. Abco Tech Memory Foam Knee Pillow. The Abco Tech Memory Foam Knee Pillow is another hourglass knee pillow that will help to keep the spine and other lower joints in their proper positions. Your lower back, hips, knees, and ankles. It will help you wake up with no pain at all if you use it for knee pain. It is not only the knee support pillow, but it is also much more than that. It also enhances the restoring of the natural shape of the spine, thus eradicating lower back or lumbar pain and in the hip area and knee pain as well. It can also help to minimize or even eradicate ankle pain when used underneath lower legs many times. When you are on your side, you place it between the knees or legs, while when on your back, you can place it beneath a thigh or lower leg. Some back sleepers try 2, one under each leg, so that they fully support the back sleeping position, and the natural curvature of the spine in particular. Number 5. Coop Home Goods Knee Pillow. While wandering through the evaluation, the biggest worries of our testers were size and thickness, and that's why this adjustable pillow left all the competitors behind. The rounded sides also protrude more than the other orthopedic designs, which only curve in a part way along the length, so it will accommodate different sizes. Apart from that, it was denser than many of the pillows we reviewed, providing more of a stable base and not contouring to the shape of the body as soon as one lies their head down. In our test, I covered the foam well, but the covering on the specific sectioned foam was a bit tricky. One should begin by placing the cover on the outer foam blocks rather than in between the foam blocks.